How to post photos on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can post photos on TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So posting photos on TikTok is actually really simple. All you have to do is open up your TikTok and then tap on this plus icon on the bottom. After you tap on it, you can then head over to this photo section right here and then tap on the bottom right corner or simply click a picture from here. So tap on this top bottom right corner to head over to your photos section. After you're here, you will be able to select your pictures that you want to add. So just select the pictures that you want to add. You can select multiple pictures as well. Then tap on next. After you tap on next, you can tap on next again to simply post the photos. After you're done with the edit, you can add a catchy title and a description. After that, simply tap on post and tap on post again. And there we go. That's how you post your photos on TikTok. And yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.